Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video we will learn how we can clean or repair our old model CCTV, how we can open all the things, and then how we can clean, or if there is anything need to repair, how we can open and then repair it. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. So first of all, we need to open this back cover, the screw cover. So you can see here this clip holding this one. So you need to twist first this side, you see, and then easily you can take out this back cover, and then after that you can simply take out the camera. So now this camera is in three parts. Now we need to open this cover, because if sometime the with air got so many dust go inside the camera, or you need to clean this IR sensor. So how the night vision sometime not working, because the this sensor become dusty, that's why the sensor not working. So we open. So you need to twist one side, this one the up, and then same before, and then you need to open. You can see here the holding clips, that is the holding here. You can see this one is the holding clips. Now this one is the night vision IR sensor. So we need to open the screw to take out first. So you simply open the screw. So I show you the step by step, so easy for you to next time if you want to open your CCTV or you need to repair anything in the CCTV, you can easily repair by helping this video. It's very simple and easy. You can clean. Sometime it's dusty, or sometime it's not working because of the dust or rusty. That's why sometimes the contacts not getting proper. So you need to clean proper to get the good results for your camera. Now we take out this one, the rubber, and then you can see how it dusty. You can see it's very dusty. You need to clean proper with the brush, and then after that you can easily fix. Now here is the camera. So you need to cover first this lens, so it will not become rusty. So we cover the lens with the any paper tape or anything tape you have, so it will not become spoil our lens or focus out. Then now we open this 4 screw also. So as you can see our camera, how it dusty, how it works. You can see it's too dusty. You need to clean proper so it will work perfectly. Or if there is any issues with the results, or there is any issue, your camera is spoiled, you need to clean proper this all the contacts. So it will, if you have the thinner or petrol, you need to clean with that. So you can see we need to clean properly this circuit. I am cleaning with the dry brush first. Now as you can see, we clean already with the brush and thinner. You can see it's totally clean, but with camera lens we didn't touch anything. And then now we clean this glass also, so if there is any rust or whatever, so we need to clean properly, so there is no any uh, dust. You can see, if I show you in the lights, you can see inside got dust, so we need to clean also this one. Now we fix back our camera. So first thing, we fix back the jacks where we take out. Now we fix the IR, the night vision. So here is our camera now ready to use. How you can clean or how you can repair your CCTV camera at your home by yourself. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.